In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Claude and Jira with the Atlassian MCP server for an AI-driven development workflow. If you regularly bounce between your terminal, your IDE, and a crowded Jira tab, you already know how much that context switching slows everything down. This integration helps bring your project tracking and your AI coding workflow into one smoother system so you can spend less time copying details around and more time actually building. To get started, open your web browser and go to console.anthropic.com, then sign in securely. Once you're in, head to Settings and open the API Keys section. Click Create Key, give it a clear descriptive name for this Jira integration, and copy the new key somewhere safe so you can use it during setup. This key is what allows your environment to authenticate properly and communicate securely. Next, open your terminal or the integrated console inside your IDE. To initialize the official Atlassian Model Context Protocol server, run the command Claude MCP add. Transport SSE Atlassian HTTPS soft MCP atlassian.com/v1 SSE. After you run it, a browser prompt should appear asking you to authenticate with your Jira workspace through OAuth. Approve that connection to link Claude with your Jira data. This creates the bridge that lets Claude access issue context without relying on extra custom middleware. Once that connection is in place, move into your project folder and launch Claude in your terminal by typing Claude. From there, you can use natural language to pull ticket details directly into your workspace. For example, ask Claude to show you the details and acceptance criteria for a specific ticket. Claude will use the MCP connection in the background and return the issue summary, description, and other relevant fields in a clean, readable format right in the terminal. Now switch back to Jira in your browser and open the issue you want to automate. Go to the Assign dropdown and choose the Claude agent for Jira, or assign it through a ticket comment if that option is available in your setup. This is what kicks off the managed agent workflow inside Jira. As soon as that assignment happens, Jira sends the issue details and repository context into the managed environment. Claude can then work through the implementation flow, prepare the code changes, run relevant checks, and create a draft pull request in your repository. Jira also updates the ticket with the pull request link, so the work stays visible on your board without extra manual updates. If you prefer staying in the terminal, you can also tell Claude to add a comment to a ticket and move it to a new status in one instruction. That makes it easy to update progress without reopening Jira. Before you wrap up, review your terminal logs and your Jira board to confirm authentication worked. Ticket updates are syncing and draft pull request links appear correctly. That final check helps make sure the workflow is reliable, secure, and ready for day-to-day use. That's all for this walkthrough.